my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a reflection or a blending image inside of an object like sunglasses. So let's begin. So first of all, you're gonna take this size over here, and I'm on custom size, and you're gonna create new design. And after it's ready, then I'm just gonna drag this image over here like this, and I'm just gonna fill it to the size of my background like this. So this is my image. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna go in my elements and I'm gonna search for hiking, I guess. And let's go on the photos panel, and I'm gonna see any like hiking image I want to choose. I'm just gonna take this first image right here. I'm gonna drag it to my template. I'm gonna reduce its size, and I'm just gonna capture it till the size of my glasses, like my sunglasses. Alright, like this. Okay, I'm just gonna keep them like this. Now you're gonna do is that you're gonna go in the apps column and you're gonna search for image blender. Like this, you're gonna choose this one right here. And then click on the first icon over here. And you're just gonna take the radial option. And I'm just gonna take care that the size just reaches till here, like somewhat. Like it should only be in my glasses, not should go outside. I'm gonna reduce its strength. Like this. And I'm gonna click on save. So my image in the sunglasses is done. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna like go in the elements. I'm gonna search for mountains like this. And I'm just gonna pick an image. Like I'm just gonna take this image right here. I'm gonna set this as my background. And I'm gonna move it backwards. And I'm just gonna remove this background like this. And so I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I know this video was short, but in this video we just learned how to create a radial blend effect and how to change a background. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.